Hi, Yaron from Deepchecks. Understanding what's wrong with a single interaction is helpful, but understanding your model's failure patterns across an entire version, that's where real insight begins. Deepchecks failure mode analysis helps you identify and fix recurring issues in your pipeline across thousands of interactions in both evaluation and production environment. To get started, go to your version's overview page. As part of your regular analysis, look for a property where performance is lacking. You can spot these using the score breakdown component, or by viewing properties you've pinned to the overview page. Once you've found a property of interest, click Analyze Property Failures. Select the property, adjust any filters like time range or version, and hit Generate Summary. Behind the scenes, Deepchecks compiles relevant data and sends it alongside research-backed prompts to an LLM that returns a summary of the key failure modes. Let's look at this example. In this evaluation case, we notice that the overall score isn't high enough for us. The pinned averages in the score breakdown component pointed to instruction fulfillment as a main issue. We click Analyze Property Failures, apply the relevant filters, and seconds later, we get a clear and actionable breakdown of what's going wrong with instruction fulfillment in our version, plus concrete examples for each failure mode. Failure mode analysis gives you a fast, focused view into what's breaking in your version, so you can fix issues faster and improve performance with confidence. Try it out on your next pipeline variant.